to show you how to clean a little bit of your arcade machine. I'm going to use a magic eraser here. I don't know if you can see all the dirt in here like I can, but let's just get started. Doesn't take much effort. That is. This little section here is pretty clean compared to that. Let's go and clean this area right here. Looks like there's some old soda down the side here. We stand back, and you can see it makes quite a difference. Now here's a good test. The control panel. And it's pretty bad. Let's give this a test. Just going over it lightly here at first. Oh, I didn't take that off. Okay, I just took that off so I could clean it. Sometimes with the magic sponge, you want to make sure you don't push too hard and take the paint actually off. I almost did that on a pinball machine once. It's getting a lot of dirt off. I'm going to let this dry, and you can see a big difference already. I'll let this dry and I'll go over it again a little bit later to get anything I missed. I'm actually pushing pretty hard on this right now. This area here, the controls are over this, so you actually don't see this area. Now I want to get back to the sides of the cabinet here.